Short little video. Bought something cool today. I went to a local tool place and I needed one, and I don't know if I ordered one on Amazon. It's made by Milwaukee. It's a deburring thing. I need one. I've seen them used. I really could use one, and I was just like, you know what? I really need one. So I'm gonna buy one. But I can't believe they're 17 bucks. It's aluminum. Apparently they work really good. I'm gonna try it out. It's made pretty good. It's made aluminum. I'm not sure how the end piece comes out. I don't know if it unscrews or what. Probably take me a month to figure that out. But anyway, not sure how it comes out. Kind of small, because I've never actually used one. I always use like sandpaper files. I also picked up some of these. These were 7 bucks. I got dark green polishing compound. I picked up a black polishing compound and a white polishing compound, because I do have a buffing wheel and I do occasionally buff things, and they were $7.95, pretty cheap. Most places I've seen these for what, 5 to 10 bucks. Can't go wrong. They seem to last forever. A friend of mine gave me his buffing wheel, and thank you to Norman for giving it to me, and I've been using it ever since. I've had the buffing compounds. I don't know how long he had them, but I've had them for about 10 years. And I figure it's about time, instead of using little nubs of them, I'll just get some more. So yeah, wasn't much, a couple of bucks. But yeah, this little deburring tool is pretty useful. Well, what I can't believe though is the price of 4 little thingamabobbers. The little replacements are like 20 bucks. I don't know if I ordered on Amazon, I can't remember, but on Amazon there was one of these for 20 bucks and had like 20 extra heads on them. I don't know how good they are. Like, this might be made superior, but some of the stuff I bought on Amazon is pretty damn good. So anyway, if you folks on YouTube want to know what this is and see what, there's a ton of videos that people suggest you buy a deburring tool, and I knew they've existed for about 10 years, and just around here could never find one, or I was just too lazy to go to the proper store way up the road. So anyway, thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe, and I don't know, if you don't like the video, just don't like the video.